do the wealthy 1 to 10% get there and stay there? Is there some sort of blueprint to building wealth and financial freedom? Yes. Do the other 90 to 99% of people know about and use it? Obviously not. Welcome back to MoneyTube, and in this video I want to give you the 4 basic steps that the wealthy 1 to 10% use in order to reach financial freedom. Before we get started though, I wanted to thank you for dropping by the channel. If you want more content to help you increase your financial literacy and get you on track to wealth and financial freedom, make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications too. And I'll also say that even though there are many ways to reach financial freedom, anybody who's wealthy and understands finance utilizes these steps. So let's talk about step 1. This is a step that's overlooked by many, but it really is fundamental. Basically, it's to increase your financial literacy. While you may have taken accounting or economics or business-related courses in high school or even in university, the theoretical format of these courses gives little in regard to the practical understanding of money and how to manage it. School teaches you very little about how to manage money, even less about how to grow it, and absolutely nothing about how to make it. Therefore, the responsibility of increasing our financial literacy rests on us and starts in our mind. Take a look at our first video for an in-depth explanation of how to increase your financial literacy. I put a link in the bio. Now, don't get me wrong, all of these steps are important, but number 2 is a little bit special. And I say that because if you can't do this, your journey to wealth is over before it starts. Number 2 is live below your means and spend less than you make. Sounds simple, doesn't it? Yet for 85 to 95% of people, this concept eludes them, keeping them in the same financial position year after year after year after year. As humans, our tendency in situations of lack is to think about how much better things could be if we just had more. The error in this line of thinking is that we are literally predisposed to spend more if we have more. Adding more income to a person that has bad spending habits in the first place is a recipe for disaster. And they'll just always find themselves spending more than what they make. The great author Robert Kiyosaki put it really well. He said that it's not about how much you make, it's about how much you keep. This is why somebody with the wrong mindset can get a raise or come into some money and still not realize true financial freedom. Because as they get more, they spend more. Third step is to increase your means. Do this by creating alternate streams of income. You can create alternate streams of income by getting another job, creating a side hustle, starting a business, investing in stocks that pay dividends. Let me set the record straight. It is damn near impossible to become a millionaire, rich, or wealthy on just your 9-to-5 job. Anybody who has achieved wealth and financial freedom got there from creating and growing multiple income streams. The 7 that you should try to take advantage of are earned income, dividend income, interest income from investments, royalty income, income from capital gains, rental income, income from profits if you have a business. Understand that growing and cultivating even 3 of these types of income would enhance any financial situation for the better. Once you've been able to save money by living below your means and increase money by finding different income streams, step 4 is to grow your money. In this step is the true essence of getting your money to work for you and not the other way around. Allocate your financial resources into growth investments that will allow you to take advantage of the time value of money. The ability to save is only half the battle. Having a strong savings alone is not the key to financial freedom. 2% per year in inflation makes certain that our money just sitting in a savings account will decrease in purchasing power over time. So put your money to work by investing in a growth fund that tracks with the S&P 500 or a diverse ETF that will get you an average of 10% return year over year. What this will allow is for your money to start growing on its own as a result of compound returns. Now, which strategies would you add to this list? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next video.